Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely 2013 63 plate Mercedes C220. Now this is an AMG-Sport Plus, so it comes very well specified from the factory. Now being the AMG Sport Plus, you get the aggressive body styling, so the nice pronounced front and rear bumpers, you get those lovely flared side skirts. We're riding on these 18-inch 7 twin-spoke alloy wheels finished in a lovely gloss black. Car itself finished in polar white, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. We've got a boot lip spoiler there also. Looking through to the boot, nice loading space in these, so as you can tell, quite a decent sized boot. We've got the pulley handles here just to fold down the seats, so those split fold in 60/40 split. Down here you'll find your space saver spur wheel with all the kit to change it. Bodywork wise, a very nice car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Inside we've got a half leather and Alcantara sport seat, so very nice and supportive yet breathable. Nice sporty steering wheel, so that's the AMG style flat bottom wheel. We've got the red stitching on there, red stitching around the gear lever also. Multi-function wheel, so voice command, volume controls, media controls, that's all on there. We've got cruise control and speed limiter, automatic lights. Vehicle is supplied with both keys, and as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 71,257 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got front electric windows, we've got electric park folding mirrors, boot opening, central locking. Coming through to the center display, on there you will find your radio, which is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. We've got a 6-disc CD autochanger. You've got satellite navigation capabilities, just need the Becker Map Pilot Pro, and then obviously all your Bluetooth telephony there as well. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. The vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors. Center scroll wheel for the display. It's a bit of central storage there. USB within the center armrest. Armrest itself is in very nice order. Doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. Lots of brushed aluminium detailing all throughout the car. These things drive absolutely superb. 2.1 litre diesel engine coupled through that silky smooth auto box. We've got the flappy paddles if you want to drive the car manually, but they're an absolute delight to drive. So, if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.